All right, y'all. So what's up, man? It's your boy KV, and as you can see by that title, we have an unboxing today, and it finally came in. Thank goodness it finally came in. That Rasasi Hawas Elixir, supposed to be inspired by JPG, Hawas Elixir. They say this is the best one. You know, that mint, that lavender. We're gonna see what's up with this. Vanilla tea. About to crack this thing open. See what it's hitting for. Get my little cutter out. Y'all tap that like button. Fresh off weight. Get this thing opened up. No regular box. I think moving around in there. Rasasi ain't never secure when it comes. Yeah, it's the box. Little cheap trash box, you know what I mean? Go right to the trash. That's what they need to do there. I'm just gonna get rid of this box, throw that right in the trash. As you can see, we got that gold bottle right here. Oh my Lord. You wipe this fingerprint magnet, man. Already see this thing gonna be a fingerprint magnet, guys. But then you see like the light flashing off it. I don't know. There we go. Got the flash on so y'all can extra see. But yeah, Rasasi Hawas. This bottle, I do not like this bottle, bro. All right, well, that's the one downfall with the first impression already. I don't like the bottle. It's just gonna be like a magnet. Like you can see everything. It's like a mirror. Got the Hawas cat. Sticks right on there. All that good stuff. But what does it smell like? Smells kind of like my The Kingdom. It smells like I said, Hawas Elixir. This one smells fresh, sugary, mint, aromatic, lavender, vanilla, tonka, ambery. Yeah, this thing crazy. We're about to take the top of this thing and smell it, guys. So let's get to it. Let's spray it first, you know. Let y'all see how it sprays. Hopefully it's never been sprayed, you know what I mean? All right, guys, about to see. Okay, never been sprayed, thank God. There we go. Ooh. I love Hawas sprayers, bro. Woo! Big dumb spray. Oh, yeah. Right on the hand. Sheesh. Love the way them Rasasi bottles spray, man. That's probably the best thing about these Rasasi bottles, the daggone atomizers. This thing is fire, man. I don't like this bottle, though. I get the gold, you know what I mean? I get what y'all was trying to do. Because it's deep in the bottle, that's gold. But, man, this thing is going to be a magnet. Look at that glaze on that handle. I don't know if y'all can see that. Man. Ah, oh, smells amazing. That sweet lavender, tonka, ambery, vanilla with that tea. Oh, yeah, this fire. This smells kind of like my The Kingdom from Lattafa. But this one, yeah, it might smell a little better on first impression. You know, I'm going to go upstairs and get them side by side. I'll probably do a review when I review both of these side by side. Hawas Elixir and then Lattafa The Kingdom. Like I said, which is a clone of the same fragrance. And I love The Kingdom. I love this too. Like, this is going to be perfect for like them cool date nights when it's nice and cool. You know what I mean? Sun ain't beaming on you. This going to be good. I mean, it already can be a year-round banger for real. But you might got to go light on the sprays in the summertime. But this thing fire. They say you can't wear this in the summer? Shit, says who? Shit, watch me. Watch me work. But yeah. Shit. That thing smells good, bro. I love it. First impressions, 9 out of 10. I know it's going to last long because it's a Rasasi bottle. You know, the Rasasi bottles last long, guys. So any Rasasi you got, 9 times out of 10 is going to last a very long time. So yeah, check this one out. Highly suggest, highly recommend. Even if you have The Kingdom or you have something that smell like this, I would say get this. I mean, I don't like that. This thing will be a fingerprint magnet. That's the only downfall with this bottle. Everything else is amazing. I don't like this one gonna be just collecting stuff, man. I don't like you had to wipe it off every time you show it on camera or something, man. But yeah, whatever. 9 out of 10 for me on first impressions. This was actually a good unboxing. I don't normally do unboxings just because my first impressions can change, but I don't think it's gonna change on this. Like this smells amazing. It smells just like something I love already. I just want to get this one because I want to complete my Hawas line, and only one left to come now is the fire. Even though I have a decan of the fire, I smelled it. It smells amazing. And yeah, here we go, guys. Nice little unboxing, first impressions. I say pick it up if you don't have it. But yeah, that was a quick little unboxing. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you were smelling good today. I know you was. Get in the comments, drop your scent of the day. Follow me on Instagram. We try and hit 10K so we can give away that Comrade Duke. Matter of fact, Duke right here. That's crazy. We try and give away this brand new. I mean, it's brand new in the box. In the plastic. Plastic ain't tampered or nothing. I'm giving away Comrade Ducan when I hit 10K on Instagram. And we just hit 82K. 82K, I'm tripping. I wish. We just hit 8,200. But like I said, I'm uploading every day. So we're growing every day. Like the followers are coming. But I need you to go over there and make sure you follow me on Instagram at KV Smellgood. You know what I mean? Tap in. And we're giving away Mercedes-Benz Club Black. So y'all just stay tuned. Stay tapped in for that. If y'all want to know how to grow on social media with your fragrances, your purses, just yourself, your family, check me out, guys. I'm about to start giving y'all tips and tricks and showing y'all how to grow on this platform so y'all can make some extra money, man, because it's hard as hell out here. You know what I mean? We about to go into a recession this summer. Y'all just remember KV told you. We are going into a recession this summer. So just smell good for a very affordable price, man. All these right here are very affordable that y'all looking at. They just in the background, you know what I mean? Working on some content. But yes, pick this up, guys. I like it a lot. But y'all know the saying. Until next time, look good, smell good, squad.